everyone, good day. It's me again, your Adrian. For today's video, I will be discussing some art expressions, which includes dance, applied art, visual art, and architecture. Okay, let's start with dance. Dance is a performing art form that consists of improvised or pre-planned movement sequences. This movement has aesthetic and often symbolic value. Dance can be classified and described based on its choreography, movement repertoire, or historical period or location of origin. It's clearly said that a dance is consists of movements and symbolic value. However, movements denote somewhat different meanings and expressive emotions. Most popular types of dance. And the example that I'm going to use is folk dance. Folk dance is celebrated worldwide, with people of different cultures and religions using various forms of folk dance to portray emotions, stories, historical events, or even aspects of daily life. I have here a short video about the folk dance. Specific example here is this Natchini Play. Natchini Play is considered by many to be the Philippines' national dance. The dance movements imitate the movement of the Ickling bird as it walks around through tall grass and between three branches. They are using bamboos. Okay, makita natin na they completed their performance with different movements as well as meanings. Applied art is the application and resulting product of artistic design where every object is referred to as applied art. The applied arts encompass all of the arts that use design and decoration to make everyday and primarily functional objects more aesthetically pleasing. Applied arts and decorative arts have a lot in common, and modern art production is often referred to as design. Around design through things, kumbaga, we can use all things to make usable and be able to use as design in our home. We have here the example of applied art. So the example that I'm going to show you is the fashion design. Fashion is the art of applying design, aesthetics, clothing construction, and natural beauty to clothing and its accessories. It is influenced by culture and different trends and has varied over time and place. Clear to understand the whole art na makita na to na it's about modeling sa mga bahimo sa fashion design which creates clothing including dresses, suits, pants, and skirts and accessories like shoes and headbands for consumers. Overall, it's aesthetically pleasing. Visual art forms include ceramics, drawing, painting, sculpture, printmaking, design, props, photography, video, filmmaking, and architecture. Visual art naturally ang nagila mga drawing, painting, sculpture, printmaking, design, props, photography, video, filmmaking, o uban pa. Apart from that, these are the examples of visual artworks. Now we know na naghagi sa paayong mga example ang visual art. As well as, nakamalusot na karon na all of those na makita nato sa TV is called visual arts. And I have here an example of visual arts. It is a painting. Painting is the act or process of applying paint to a surface. Paint can be used to create a work of art known as a painting, or it can be used more practically as a protective coating or form of decoration. Paintings are type of visual art in which ideas and emotion are expressed on a two-dimensional surface. This art is attractive, very nice, and unang lantaw pa lang na kung nakaisang impact sa itong mga hula-hula o pagsabot na to na this reminds us about nature na kinahanag yun malagaon para uhon na patay mga kahoy sa palibot. While the colors textures, signs, stains, and other visual and material attributes of the artwork are works of art and they are meant to color. Architecture is the process and product of planning, designing, and constructing buildings or other structures are both referred to as architecture. Buildings in their physical form are frequently perceived as cultural symbols and works of art. It's clear to understand that our architecture is all about buildings na makita natin somewhere in the city. And now we know that once nakakita na ang mga buildings or more, it will be considered as a work of art because it conducted a process, product of planning, designing, and constructing buildings. And I have here an example of architecture. It's Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower located in Paris, France, that constructed in 1889. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most famous structures in the world. It's named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel and it was built as the entrance arm to the World Expo of 1889. The tower is 324 meters high, approximately as an 81-story building. Today, the tower attracts millions of visitors every year. Makita na ito siya na attractive Pilot Tower. I know isa sa mga manahan na doon or i-travel out of our country. Grabe yun ka-creative o paghimuan niyo. Nakita din na ito na designable tayo na taon and tungod ani na kamataw what doon dito. Okay, that's it everyone. And that would be all. Thank you so much for watching for my short discussion about the some art expressions. Bye, keep safe and God bless.